All right, today we're going to take a look at the Runcam Thumb Pro, and we're going to see how it does on a 5-inch drone. I've been flying this on some small drones, but I don't know how it's going to hold up to vibrations and things like that on a larger drone, so we're going to go put it to the test. We're also going to see how it holds up for freestyle. Now, I'm not really a freestyle pilot, so I could be asking a bit much here, but we're going to give it a shot. We're going to do a little freestyle maneuvers, and we're going to process the footage with gyro flow and see how it turns out.
I'ma do it anyway. Put them in the dirt, say it again, man, and that's a reverse. Never rehearse, jumping in first. Call up the nurse, put the beat in the hearse. This is absurd, change to berserk. Don't get on the tracks, man, and they better swerve. Don't got a nerve, man, I never curse. Just casting these spells when I'm spelling these words. That's real, that's too real. I've been Roosevelt, I need a new deal. Trying to figure out what I should do still. I'm really never waiting here too still. I don't even know what I should say at all. Should I jump on in? Should I get involved? Guys around me, they love to talk. I take it all with a grain of salt. This work that I'm doing, they never see through it. And all of this rap that I see that they ruin. I came in the game and I'm trying to undo it. And still they all say they don't know if the shoe fit. I gotta see through it, man, won't be deluded. With all these illusions, I know it's disputed. I gotta keep growing, they see what my root is. I tell you I run this, I'm done with excuses. Give me for a minute, trying to get what I've been giving out. Do it for the tickets, I don't listen to the critics. I'ma push them to the limit. And these rappers getting timid, I've been balling like a pivot. I don't step into the scrimmage, I just play 'em when I'm in it. Trying to run it till the ribbon. And they know that I've been tripping. When I make them see the vision, man, I put them in the prison with these bars that I've been spitting. And this life that I've been living, I'ma go, I'm on a mission.
Take two for the drop, jaw plotting on the boy. See me putting in the work, whole milk, I don't do the soy. Always been about my king, never about the money. Now you know I'm a trap before I stop the grind. I'm a trap before I stop the grind. I'm a trap before I stop the grind. Said I got my eyes on. My eyes on.
I just did a 24 song in a bed, in a building, they already know my name. At the show, she gon' want a picture, she can hang. Just to tell a friend, oh be there. I shoot my shot with this gold on my wrist while we throwing the parties, they throwing the fit. Good finesse, you can spot me a sucker, a lot of you really is holding the lick. All of my homies legit, really is shit. I probably throw in my clip. I sell a boat to a fish. I sell a record, you know it's a hit. They see the effort I put in this music, and I ain't been giving no favors at all. All of this chef and I got in the shop, and I think that I probably could cater them all. I love the way that she answered the phone. I know that she ain't expect me to call. I got my eyes on you, my eyes on you, yeah.
Take two for the drop, jaw plotting on the boy. See me putting in the work, whole milk, I don't do the soy. Always been about my king, never about the money. Now you know I'm a trap before I stop the grind. I'm a trap before I stop the grind. I'm a trap before I stop the grind. Said I got my eyes on. My eyes on.
Yeah, I think they gon' need a minute. Shot and got them people back up in their feelings. When they told me I was finished, bottom of the inning, knocked it out the building. Yeah, now Victor co-defendant, even Nike witness. We the next to kill it, show them the king how they living. Pictures so good, but not looking for business. They was stepping in from the back door. If they see you independent, then they pop jokes. That fear to the blows, boy James Burke. Side stepping on the shade, see the footwork. I'm trying to be about this fitness, but still they want me in the kitchen with the baking soda whipping. The thought of Lewis so offensive, cause my guy, he gave his body just to pull me out the trenches. Hold up, wait. If I never see a million or the recognition, but I see the finish. Look, now the greatest when they losing, gotta keep on shooting even when you're missing. Yeah, now focus on the past while living for the day was never recommended. Reppin' VA to independent, his kingdom can never be bought cause it's given and I live that.
All right, obviously I'm not a great freestyle pilot. There's not a whole lot of flow going on here, but I wanted to put this thing through some maneuvers in case you guys were interested in picking one of these up for yourself for freestyle or your 5-inch. I think it turned out pretty good. I could have turned down the stability a little bit in gyro flow and made it look even better. Thank you guys for sticking around till the end of the video. We'll see you in the next one.